so
kurugira abashubuza aba emishoreka gumiza munetambura konka ba customer bakabura enshongeji nibagigikero rutaro mu DRC USAID okomereza obuhezo mu Uganda hamwe n'enkutombo mu Changeji
the neighboring countries which are not safe in terms of security. For example, Bwindi Mugahinga, Bwindi and Mugahinga, those are two national parks here in Kisoro. They are all bordering Congo, and there is war in Congo.
Corona zikatahamo, season zabura, abandi bantu nohura department ezindi bakagenda nebazihereza kasente ko kuziyamba konka itu aba hoteeri tino n'umuntu wagambira kigambo cebizibu byo twatungiramo nk'abantu ba tourism. Hatejo niyo complaint tukagaruka inyuma munonga nibyo tubikora tukagaruka inyuma.
Richard Munezero rukure byo burambuzo mu district ya Kisoro nagira ngo imbere y'byentambara nabwo raberimbi government eshitamugwe bategeze president Museveni kwije mu district eje 2013 okwezi kwa kahingo mu mwakogo.
The challenges we have currently is infrastructure development, except especially road accessibility to tourism areas, and these roads we have promised that they are going to be worked on. And then definitely Uganda's country we have not marketed to our expectations, but with what is going on, the strategies that are being suggested, then we hope to reach there. But the key one is infrastructure and poor accessibility to tourism areas.
Ebi bya Trump bya USAID ebitongore byona hati tibicije fund zizona zikabura ubwo kumanyisa tourism ya yitu erya hansi munonga.
Kisoro district nemo districts za Uganda ezine byo burambuzi burungi konko buro financial ngazindi nibibugaruze nyuma. Amakuru agasha kwa Kate atuzarire.